Okay, so these are really, really white bananas. Dried up cherries. We're gonna whip them so they can get wet, and we're gonna use this to make a banana smoothie.
A banana cherry smoothie.
A banana cherry smoothie.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Got 2 bananas. 3 bananas. And now we got 4 bananas, 5 bananas, and now we got 6 bananas.
All right, what's next?
Cherries. What should I do with the cherries, Mom?
Well, it looks like we have our dried cherries soaking in a bowl so that they get rehydrated and soft. So once that's complete, we can add the dried cherries and the water into the magic bullet.
Okay, so I'm going to add the cherries now to it. Some of the water can go to it. Look. Now look at the water. It's really turning red from the cherries. We must be really careful. We don't want to just overflow it with water, because that would be bad. Okay, I'm scooping up this thing, cherries, red up cherries, now they're really wet. Look at that one, down right there. See it? No wet on it. Okay, now I'm gonna add the water because my mom said so. Add some little water to there. And my mom took another video of me juicing, not a happy life. Just kidding, just a joke, as was a happy life. I like to tell jokes sometimes with my mom. Let's
Screw it nice and tight.
screw it nice and tight, just like my mom said. Okay. There. Should I put it in?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what? Now, got it all done. Kind of hard to get out.
There you go. Very good. Now tip it upside down.
Okay, now, good. Okay, good. Just nice and gentle to store. Or just nice and gentle. Oh, smell that.
Ooh, that smells great.
Oh,
Awesome.
oh, look at that. I saved a little for my mom.
Okay, test it out.
Oh, it smells so good. Try it, Mom.
Is it good?
So, try it. We test the taste. It's really good. All you need to do, you have to have dried up cherries, or wet cherries already. And you could have some wiggle water, pour it in, and you can just and you have to smooth it. You have to press that thing down.
On the magic bullet.
On the magic bullet. But if it can't come off, you're allowed to do it by yourself. Ask your mom to help you. Just like my mom helped me to get this off. It's kind of hard. So we poured it in and it tastes great. Now all you need to have is cherries, water, and bananas.
Awesome.
Ripe bananas. I'm not just talking about any bananas. Ripe bananas.
Okay.
Yum. Goodbye. I wish you Merry Christmas. I wish you Merry Christmas. I wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And Adios, amigos.